Hannah wanted to have a movie marathon. She invited all her friends to her house. She also bought popcorn. She heated up the popcorn. She made plenty for her friends. She selected the movies they were going to watch. They were going to watch one romantic comedy, one action movie, one horror movie, and then one comedy movie. She was very excited. All her friends watched the movies. They loved the popcorn. After the popcorn ran out, they made s'mores. They made s'mores with chocolate, marshmallows, and graham crackers. It was good. It was unhealthy, though, so they did not eat too much. They stayed up late watching movies. After movies, they talked until they fell asleep.